Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So, I believe you'll have completed till question number 8 and you have understood the basic proportionality theorem properly as well as the application of that theorem. Okay, now moving on to question number 9, we have ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. You see this? AB, let me show you. AB is parallel to DC they've given you. Okay, and then you have to show that AO, this one, by CO is equals to BO by DO. Clear? Question should be clear first and then we'll move on to the numerical. Okay, you have to prove this AO by DO is equals to BO by CO. So how do you suggest we'll do this? First of all, see what you need to do out here. First of all, you make sure that which triangle you have to pick up. One triangle this and the other triangle this. Only important thing you have to do out here is to pick up the triangles. We'll be picking up out here ADB and ACB. Now say why? Because we have in both the triangles, you have to show this one, and in both the triangles only these two things are coming in common. Clear? So when this is done, the selection of triangle is done, the writing method should be very clear out here. The writing method, okay, so you in triangle ABD, first of all triangle ADC, okay, consider this triangle ADC. That triangle will be considered in next numerical. First we do it with ADC, in which constructing out here AEOF such that EOF is parallel to DC and AB as well. We apply first this triangle ADC. AE by ED is equals to AO by OC. You can write this BPT. AD by AE is equal to ED is equals to AO by OC. Similarly, another triangle considering will be BDC. Okay, in which BO by OD is equals to BF by FC. Clear? Look at the next numerical, the second part. Out here. ED by AE is equals to OD by BO as equation 2. Now compare both the equation. The RHS, the LHS part is same in both. So AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. The triangle which I told you to consider out there will be considering question number 10. You should have done this question with that, considering that triangles also. Okay. Now this will be done in the next class, question number 10. The figure is out here. You try the same way you have done in question number 9. First do question number 9 and then move on to question number 10. It will give you a very clear concept. Okay, and question number 8 was also a bit similar. So 8, 9, 10, there's these numericals are connected, and in fact the very important numericals of this 10. Okay, so if you have any problem, make sure you comment in the comment section or give me a text or write it in the Google Classroom. I'll definitely try and clear it out. Okay, it's very important for you to follow up regularly all the exercises and all for betterment and more understanding of your numericals. We'll be going 1 or 2 numericals per day. Today one numerical was done, tomorrow another. I'll be covering up numericals. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.